Hello everyone, welcome to Career Clue. In this video, we are comparing FIFO and FIFO, two essential inventory management methods used in warehouses and supply chains. Though they may sound similar, using the wrong method can cause stock issues, waste, or operational inefficiencies. Let's break them down so you can see exactly how these processes work in real operations. FIFO. FIFO stands for first in, first out. Under FIFO, the items that arrived first are issued or used first. This method is commonly applied when stock doesn't have an expiry date or when older stock shouldn't sit unused for long. For example, if a warehouse receives 100 boxes of nails in January and another 100 in February, FIFO dictates that the January stock is issued first. Using FIFO helps reduce the risk of old stock sitting idle and minimizes issues such as damage or obsolescence. FIFO is widely used in general merchandise, hardware stores, and items that don't expire quickly. FEFO. FIFO stands for first expired, first out. Unlike FIFO, FIFO uses expiry dates as the primary factor for issuing stock. The item with the earliest expiration date is issued first, regardless of when it arrived. For instance, if a warehouse receives two batches of lubricants, one expiring in April, another in June, FIFO ensures the April expiring batch is used first, even if it arrived later. This method is critical for food, pharmaceuticals, chemicals, or any consumables where shelf life is important. Key differences. Basis of issue. FIFO, oldest received stock first. FIFO, earliest expiry stock first. Applicability. FIFO, non-perishable or long shelf life stock. FIFO, perishable or expiry dependent products. Risk control. FIFO reduces inventory aging. FIFO prevents loss from expired products. Use cases. FIFO, nails, hardware, packaging, bulk supplies. FIFO, lubricants, food items, chemicals, medicines. These differences are not just definitions, they show how warehouses stay efficient and avoid losses in real operations. That's the difference between FIFO and FIFO. Choosing the right method helps maintain stock quality, reduce waste, and ensure smooth inventory flow. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Career Clue for practical career guidance and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.